Hello friends and Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my channel Newiballdesigningdeveloper. Designing Developer. My name is Inshal Beg. I am a full stack developer and graphic designer. So we are now starting with our Java series, and I hope you enjoy my first project of Java, which was really helpful for you, and the second also, in which we have just make form. So these are the project we'll be building in Java. So today we'll be also building a good project in Java, and I hope you will be enjoying that. So but before that, I want to something I want to tell you, like the two projects which we have just made previously on that are really helpful for a beginner. But the first project is really helpful for a beginner if you are just new here learning Java for the first time. So check my first video, move to then second, and then this one video which we are just making today. So just this video will be also helpful for you like the previous one. So just please, if you are new here, so hit the subscribe button, also like this video if you are just enjoying that, and also subscribe on my channel, and after that also hit notification bell, from which you will be getting all the notifications of my video when I will be uploading. So if you want to learn Java, but before that you want to just know about Java, know about the codes of that I'm telling in my first class, you can check that out, and you also know about many other things in Java to make a Java project or Java app. So today we'll just building one of the small, you can say small front page here in Java, which will be really helpful for you, and I hope you enjoy that. So this, you can say this project is small front page for beginners, which should be really helpful for one person if they want to learn Java here. So this is our third project. Previously we have built a simple form of front end. So this is simple front page here which we are building. So just I hope you enjoying this video also like you enjoyed my previous one. So just now we'll be starting with our project. So just like I'm telling you, we'll be just building a simple front page here in Java. So I hope you enjoying that also this video. I hope you'll be also enjoy. But before that, I want to show you like what front page will be building, what it is about, and what things and what text will be writing in that. So just I want to sorry about like previous project. I was just not showing the form at the starting of the demo because I was just forgot to show. But now onwards I'll be showing all the project which I'll be making, but only the project. If we are making API of Windows key, then I can't just not show you the demo of that because it is not a project, it is a simple backend thing here. So just if I open my Google Chrome, so you can see this will be our front page here. So this is a simple front page which we'll be making. These all things will be just coming, but these are simply icons. You can install that from Google, and we are getting this hello storage. But if you press anything, nothing happening just here. We have just only make the front page of that here, only the front page we are just making. Storage, the text is coming here, then we are getting what can we do here, and these all things, download the app, then Google Play picture I have just installed from Google. And if I do one thing, you can also just get your storage. You can do that to 9491 1.93, any of the number you want to do, you can do that here, but I have just do that 0.93 GB of 15 GB storage used. So here we'll be building this project. I hope you'll be enjoying that. So just now we'll be starting with our project, but before starting that you have to just like this video if you are enjoying that at the end, if you have enjoyed, and also hit subscribe button if you are just liking this video, and if you are learning more than enough things from my channel. You can check my previous React and JavaScript videos also, which are really helpful for beginners. They are also learning more things from that, and that are also really helpful for a beginner if they want to become a React JS developer or JavaScript developer and get a good salary job in their future coming up. So just now I'll be showing you my VS Code, and in that I've written my previous code. So just open that previous file in which we have just make our simple form, and in which we have just make our simple form and other things. So just I'll be opening my that VS Code here. So if I open my VS Code, you can see now the codes all are just written here of the form which we have just made previous one. So simply I'll be doing one thing, I'll be moving down and I'll be joining that all codes which I'll be writing here, so it will be not waste of time here to just write codes again and again. So here I will be now doing one thing, I will be writing a edit tag here. Then you have to do here a tag which will be like element. Then when you're done with that, I will be moving here and writing another tag which will be just like an editor. And when you're done with that, just you have to do one thing, close this tag here and make a this curly bracket in which I will be writing a tag which will be like HTML dot, and then write another tag which will be like name to string. So just close this tag here. Now when you've done that, move down here and then you have to write a tag which will be like to string. Close this, and here you have to make a tag which will be like editor dot URL dot load. Close this tag from here now, When you've done with that things, here I will be moving down, writing a tag which will be like lower random equals, and here I will be writing a tag which will be like event. When you've done that, close this tag here, make curly bracket again. Here I will be writing a tag which will be like event dot input. Here I will be writing a tag which will be just like here form. Close this now. So when you've done with that, here I will be moving to this floor tag again and moving downwards now. So when you've done that, here I will be just writing a tag which will be just like HTML body element. Here I will be just doing one thing, moving forward and writing a tag which will be like console. Okay, so we have not written console yet. Okay, so it is good now. So when you've done with that things, you have to move and just write a tag which will be just like here first. Close this tag here and make this curly bracket in which I will be writing that to like apply dot, and then I will again be writing navigation bar dot, and here I will be just doing one thing, just here. You have to write here error and write it to like speech synthesis error body. So when you've done with that here, so now I will be just writing another tag which will be like event and closing this curly bracket. When you've done with that things, here I will be moving forward and I'll be just moving down here and writing a tag which will be like style sheet, and here I will be just writing a tag again which should be just like here array equals to, and then when you've done with that things, here I will be writing close this tag here and move another tag which will be just like style sheet dot list, and I'll be writing close. Just close this tag now from here. Then I will be just moving down again, and here I will be writing another tag which will be just like here string now. Right here string media equal to, and here I will be writing font. Just close this tag here and I will be writing that to like media dot paper dot roll. Close this tag here by writing this close curly bracket, move down here now, and when you've done that, just write here range mode, and I will be writing a tag which will be like mode equal range, and here I will be closing this and making this curly bracket in which I will be writing a tag which will be just like here open editor. So we have written open editor, then I will be writing dot, here I will be writing element dot edit, then I will be just closing this tag here, and when you've done with that things, here I will be doing one thing, I will be moving down, then I will be writing a tag which will be like space synthesis is event, here I will be writing same tag now. So this is the speech synthesis is error tag, means if you are getting any error here, so it will be solving your error by this tag. So this is the tag which we are using here to write the codes. Now it is good. You can see all the things we are getting back. Here I will be doing one thing, just I will be closing this tag now, making this curly bracket here, and I will be writing a tag which will be just like floor, then right here random, and right here dot navigation bar. So when you've done with that thing, just I'll be now closing this curly bracket, saving this file from here, and when you just save this file here, so you have to do one thing now, just move at the top, and here I am moving down, you can see all the things we are just getting here, and when you've done with that, save this file again, and you can see all the codes are just completing and it is looking good. Just you have to do one thing, just copy this code and paste that 4 times. So here we are writing 1, 2, 3 and 4. So we have pasted this code over 4 times now, and when you've done that, move down towards here. Here I will be doing one thing, I will be just moving and writing some of the tags again. More style equal to sheet, close this, and then you have to do one thing here, more dot sheet dot style, simply close. Save this tag again now. Here when you've done with that, move down again. Here I will be writing a style sheet, and I will be writing equals to more, and when you're done with that, I'll be closing this, and now I will be writing a tag which will be like style dot navigation dot synthesis. Close this, save this, and it is good to go. So when you've done with that things here, now you have to do one thing like this. I'll be getting 2 string tag here, so I'll be writing data tag also, simply data image, and here I will be writing open. Here I will be writing data dot all collection dot style. Simply close it, save this file now, and all the things are perfect to go. So if I just move to my Google Chrome, so you will be getting your all the front page here which we want to make in Java. So these are some of the different codes in Java which we are writing. It is not like JavaScript or Python which we are writing here. If I open my Google Chrome here, simply you can see now we are getting our front page which we want to make in Java. We are getting all the text which we have written previously on. Then the sidebar you can say, or the navbar. Then we are getting the Google One logo here. And if I move down, you will be also getting your all the things of like these, like what things you want to offer or what you can do in free. You can upgrade it also by here. You can go to their app. Also storage you can also see from here. Then you can also see your Google One FAQ from here, and you will be also checking, and you are also having one hover effect. You can see how cool looking is that. Then we are getting this footer section here in which we are getting all the things here. You can see how cool looking is that. So like that you can just build your own front page, simple front page in Java. And I hope you enjoy this project, and I hope you also enjoy this project also which we are building in Java. So these are the projects which will be really helpful for you in the future life if you want to become a Java developer, like you are of JavaScript and React.js developer. But Java language is also really important to learn, and in future I'll be bringing up many other languages series which will be really helpful for you. So if you have just enjoyed this video, share it with your friends. Just like this video, subscribe on my channel if you are new here, and share only with your friends and your family members so they can also learn what are these programming language, what are the coding, and how to make a website with the language. So just I'll be waiting for my next project. So for today, goodbye.